Now, for example 3, this would be a non-calculator question, but they'll never ask it like this on an exam because you can't easily, without a calculator, estimate this to the nearest tenth. What they'll instead do, and I'll rewrite this question, they'll say, and I've seen this as a multiple choice question, log 5 of 100 is between which two integers? So is it between, and then if it was multiple choice, they'd have, oh, is it between 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 4, 4 and 5, 8 million and 8 million and 1? So you could figure out where is that number. And it's really asking you, do you know what a log means? So again, log 5 of 100 is really asking you 5 to what power is 100? To what exponent is 100? Well, 100's not on our powers chart for 5. If we think about our powers chart for 5, we have 5, and then 5 squared is 25, and then 5 cubed is 125, and then 5 to the 4 is 625, and we just had 5 to the 5, 3,125. So if you have 100, right, it's going to be somewhere between this 5 to the 2 and this 5 to the 3. So on an exam, you would say log 5 of 100 is between 2 and 3. Now, if we had to estimate it to the nearest tenth, that would be hard to do without a calculator. You might go, ooh, I think it's closer to 125 than it is to 25, so I'm going to go 5.8, or I'm going to say 5.7. And then if you want to check it on your calculator, and here is where, if you can use that log base, oops, if you can use the log base button, log base 5 of 100, it's 2.86. So to the nearest tenth would be 2.9. But you can't get that tenth well without a calculator. You'd just be guessing. Okay? But you can, without a calculator, say between what two integers. So that's a more realistic kind of problem that would appear. All right, questions 13 and 15.